Silly night. Oh wait, let me get food.
Big Mama
5,
and
4,
Swamp Face
3,
kind of scary for me.
2,
We'll see how it goes.
1.
Yeah. Big Mama surprisingly hit fucking hard.
Yeah, she does. Or
Divine Shield.
Purify Spirit, ready.
Red.
Purify Spirit, ready.
Mentor.
Purify Spirit,
Shit on
ready.
2 at a time, every time. I got the...
Need to wait a bit for Pat.
Freedom.
Kick. Purify Spirit, ready. Kick. Purify Spirit, ready. Purify Spirit, ready. Dwarf. Purify Spirit, ready.
NPR Mel kicks
Check.
over, please.
Freedom.
A wind up.
Yeah, sorry, I dungeon.
Ascendance, ready. Capacitor ready. Purify Spirit,
Wind up again.
ready. Kick.
You're folding.
Kick.
Still not on HP. I was thinking maybe we could, they could have pulled the divers at this point.
Not a bad, it's not a bad place. I've had people pull them. Fucking scaffolding again.
Yeah, but then our architect pool would be really tiny.
Roar.
I really want to dodge the demolitionist and
Capacitor ready.
nice knock. I'll roar it. Okay,
Purify Spirit,
I'll roar
ready.
next.
Purify Spirit, ready.
Am I blinding that one?
Purify Spirit, ready.
I'll stun this one.
Okay. The inspector is just so high HP.
Purify Spirit, ready.
Blinks on the hunter. I think it's not like even on them, it's just like general location.
Yeah, it's like behind and sucks.
Capacitor ready.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get the contractors.
I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Nature's swiftness ready.
DPS potion. Defensive.
Oh, wait, after.
Capacitor ready.
Capacitor does anything.
Something, there's tenable.
Yeah, I don't think we can stun these guys.
Can you rise him?
Yep.
Divine shield.
Fuck me. We're gonna be missing a lot of damage here. I lost my CDs.
Can I just peek? Can I
Distortion.
gotta
Nature's swiftness ready.
Kill.
The last odds.
Fine.
Capacitor ready. Astral shift ready.
A little bit after.
I don't have any for this electro crush. Holy shit.
So you got something for the next one, yeah?
Yeah. I can drop me into 5% or something.
Ascendance ready. Nature's swiftness ready.
Lay on hands.
That's when I had the frenzy regen running.
Yeah. You got 10% HP, I lay on end you.
Yeah, that was kind of wild.
We have to kill those odds, I think.
Yeah, probably. I don't have threat on all of them. Okay, should be good.
Careful as we're approaching the stairs. There's a path in there.
Needs rank kick.
Yeah, I think that may have been a mistake on my part. I think we could have killed boss.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Yeah, that wasn't sure either.
The 350 mil is kill boss. Next time.
Roar. Disappointed.
It's like the same rotation for me anyways.
It's not the same for me at all, so...
Astral shift. Ready.
You have HP, use the HP potion. Okay, we're good.
Purify spirit. Ready.
Should take infections.
Stone bulwark totem. Ready. Kick.
Next kick on that one.
Kick. Purify
Got a
spirit.
kick.
Ready.
No thanks. Mine next.
Purify spirit. Ready.
That's a,
Ascendance. Ready.
Next.
yeah,
Kick.
mine is for DPS.
Yeah, normally it's not a problem, but I think if this hits me on this, I actually can't get, people get fucked.
Right, now we pull that, the bat is right there, so we go down
Yeah.
with it. That's good.
Ah, I pull that doesn't jump everywhere. Amazing.
Nature's swiftness ready. Purify spirit. Ready.
You didn't use Mythic
Kick.
on this one, next one use one.
Purify spirit. Ready. Roar.
A pull.
You star.
Kick. Purify spirit. Ready.
RPG.
Astral shift. Ready.
Divine shield.
Capacitor
I'll,
ready.
First.
Kick.
Blind.
Blinded. 100
Cap,
next kick.
cap totem.
Awesome.
Kick, 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 kick.
Potion with you.
Yep.
Kick.
So I'm only pulling two, no, the three, sorry.
3.
Yeah, the three.
Green up. It's possible they go stairs, by the way. I hope they do the lip, but... Like they're
Ah,
coming.
they're doing it, they're doing it. Wait, pulled
Freehand.
behind? What? What are you talking about?
Okay, okay, careful, 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 careful. I'm gonna res Grim.
Nature's
Whenever I can. I
swiftness
don't know
ready.
what you got, dude.
That was on purpose, Auntie. That's what
Roar.
we discussed.
Capacitor ready.
What killed you, Grim?
I got harpooned. Keep doing this bullets. Keep doing
Astral shift.
I
Ready.
mean, it's literally just kicks. Like, it's kickable. We have 3 range kicks. And like the alternative is much worse.
Lay on hands.
Like, I think everyone does that pull. It's similar.
Release. I'm on V-res. Or wait, I don't know, I'm not sure what's faster to be honest.
Your
Like,
survival
it's-
wasn't necessary.
You guys have just to be positioned like compared to those. Like they pull you towards them, right? So like if you're positioned in between you and a mine, yeah, you're gonna get pulled on a mine. But if you're in front of them, then
Freedom.
shit. Kill it before it nails me. Where you at? Up there, I got him.
Busting here, right? Waiting for the...
Roar.
We're listing this one.
Are you grouping up or not?
Yeah, no, that's all.
that's right.
Kick.
So muted.
Well, what have we
Stone bulwark totem. Ready.
Watch out, Flinchor is kind of bad.
Welcome to the firing range.
It's playtime! Playtime!
Capacitor ready. Wharf.
I'll get him, boy!
First charge.
Nature's swiftness ready. Purify spirit. Ready.
Charge. We get them all? No. Reposition.
Wharf.
First gel.
Sacrifice.
Still! I ain't done
Me.
Purify spirit.
like a lot.
Ready.
Yeah. Show me.
Purify spirit. Ready.
On me. Dispel.
Nature's swiftness ready. Purify spirit. Ready. Roar.
I'm all the way back here.
The last one. Can dispel that one instantly on Grim.
Swap a big quick fuse, she's a bit high.
Sorry.
Purify spirit. Ready.
Gel.
Astral shift. Ready. Purify spirit. Ready.
One more. The last one you can insta dispel.
I Brunt is high now.
He's dead. You're sacked. You're not sacked. I don't have it on
I think I should be fine. This, I prefer that over like the other bit. Like we're just having bombs and you can.
Have the gun, have the gun.
Okay.
The path on the side.
My roar first.
Blind second.
Okay, blind
That was
next.
yours. Yeah, I'm waiting for one. Now.
Blood elf.
Yeah. Done.
Cap.
Done.
Bottom. Cap bottom.
Storm.
Okay. I can vortex next. I get it done.
Come up so the path, you don't pull the path behind. A little bit.
Yeah.
I guess it is far.
Same as last. I guess I just pulling a little bit behind, forward, back.
Okay, after the first AoE can do anything.
Yeah. After or during?
During.
Capacitor ready.
Lay on hands.
I lay on Grimtree here.
Link.
I got big towards the entrance.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Hello. Don't forget we have an HP potion, that's probably up.
Astral shift. Ready. Spirit Walker's grace ready.
It's gonna hit hard.
Hold myself here.
Under boss, under boss.
Divine
Bubble
shield.
here. Now sacked.
Sacrifice.
Nature's swiftness ready.
I don't have anything.
I'm no more mana.
Yeah, I'm logging myself.
Literally zero.
Freedom.
Wait a minute. Go, 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 go. No time to fuck around.
I'll just wait for empty because you cannot need him. The
Yeah,
first
I'm
black
doing that
flash is
now.
pretty early.
We have to go. Like by pulling back here, it's so much time wasted. Like we lost 10 seconds there just for dropping the first bubble.
And it's better than death. But yeah,
Astral
you can
shift.
just go forward.
Ready.
if you want.
No, like I'm just saying we're really short on time right now. Logging. Try.
Might get another one.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Yeah,
Lay
get
on
myself
hands.
allayed.
Fuck. That's chance to regrowth. What do you release?
Roar.
Let's go. Let's just go for them.
Wharf.
Maybe.
Grimji kick, circle.
Purify spirit, ready. Stone bulwark totem, ready. Purify spirit, ready. Ascendance, ready. Purify spirit, ready. Nature's swiftness ready.
This is last pull.
Yeah.
Roar.
Kick.
Okay, we kick as much as possible.
Capacitor ready. Purify spirit, ready. Kick. Kick. Purify spirit, ready. Purify spirit, ready.
Go chain.
Purify spirit, ready.
Mark, focus.
Capacitor ready.
Alright, they heal, I think. Should we save now?
Keep going. Move to boss room.
Spirit Walker's Grace ready.
Okay, watch your feet.
Do we have defenses for that first hit?
He needs to sit.
We need to save
And we
Uh,
have to pull. Sit. Go.
Nature's Swiftness ready.
Alright,
Yeah, I'll use it.
big damage.
Ascendance, ready.
I'll turtle first, try to figure it.
Astral Shift, ready.
I'm just gonna go in that direction.
Yep. Careful, the middle one's gonna get.
Oh, fuck. Get him back.
Nature's Swiftness ready.
We have bow.
Spirit Walker's Grace ready.
See these running. You good?
I didn't sack.
Sacrifice.
I'll try. This is gonna hit pretty hard. It's a bleed. I'd say it's for the
Nature's
next
swiftness ready.
Innervate.
Hyper ball.
Divine shield.
Don't heal me.
Lay
I
hands.
Pilgrim. One more DPS potion if you do have it.
Astral shift. Ready. Stone bulwark totem. Ready.
No,
Ascendance,
no, she's not.
ready.
No, she's not.
Yeah, don't hurt me out.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Okay. Try still.
3 seconds.
Oh, we're not even percent.
Freedom.
Wait, what? What did we miss?
Roar.
No.
Oh, pull 9 still needed the. Yeah, because we removed the divers, I think.
You wanna talk to the guy in the front?
Whatever. Just pull the 2 dudes in there.
Yeah. I'll have to check after the route what I fucked up.
They're worth 3%. And I think some 15 mobs, let's see.
Protection.
Astral shift. Ready. Purify spirit. Ready.
I think it's a lost pull. I need to pull the sides with the route after we changed it.
Purify spirit. Ready.
So, the divers, regardless